Let me show you how to make Asaana. That is a local drink originated from the Volta region of Ghana. It's a very simple drink. You only need your corn and sugar to make this. Most people call it local Coca-Cola. If you wonder how this is made, let me take you through the journey. Into a bowl, just get your corn, your dry corn, wash it thoroughly, and then make sure you wash it until it's free from the sand and whatever. Soak it for about 3 to 4 days, and then you strain the water after 3 to 4 days, just like this. Now transfer this onto a tray or in a basket like this. Sprinkle water over it day and night until it starts germinating. You can see right here that it has already started germinating. Yes, all you have to do is to continue this process until you achieve a very good result like this. You want almost everything to be real germinated like this. Okay, we'll dry it, and this is what we have right here. After drying, just crush it into smaller pieces, not entirely smooth. Something like this is just perfect. And now let's go about cooking it. Into a pot on fire, just transfer everything into it. In case you want to just make a smaller quantity, just go ahead and divide your crushed corn like this. Add enough water, because while it's cooking, the water will be reducing, so you want to add enough water so that it will be able to cook very well. Now sprinkle some flour over it. The flour is going to make it get this foamy effect when you pour, or it look like just the Coca-Cola kind of vibe. Yes, now this is what we have. Let it boil very well until the corn in it becomes very soft. Allow this to rest for about 24 to 48 hours. Now let's melt our sugar. So this is going to give it that dark effect. So you melt your sugar until it becomes very dark. It shouldn't burn, because it's going to make your Asaana very bitter. If you achieve something like this, just pour some water into it, and then you allow this to simmer for few minutes. Now you strain your Asaana, which we kept from earlier, and make sure you add your Coca-Cola color to it. That is the caramelized sugar, until you get your desired color. Add your sweetener of choice, and now your Asaana is ready to be served. So you can use your ice cubes. You serve it with milk, and that is what we have right here. If also you find this video very helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Share this video to your friends and loved ones so that they can also benefit from it. This take a long time to bake, okay, about 2 to 3 weeks maximum. So make sure you try this recipe and get back to me in the comments. If you are cooking your corn, make sure that it's very soft. Okay, the corn is soft before you take it out. If you don't cook it well, you will get diarrhea. So make sure you cook it very well until it becomes very soft. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.